Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and Valentine's Day is around the corner, so I'm going to be showing you all 10 different easy nail art ideas for Valentine's Day. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first off, I'm going to apply a base coat to prevent my nails from staining, and once that's completely dry, I'm going to be using this white polish by Faces. It's called a White or White. And I'm also going to be using this nail tip guide to create a French manicure, and this is the easiest way you can actually create a French manicure. So I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this polish using the same nail tip, and then using a tweezer you can just take it off. Don't worry if you create a mess, you can use an acetone and a brush to bring out that perfect curve that you need for your French manicure. Next, I'm going to be using this cute little hearts by Bon Petit Store. So I had also shown this to you all in my haul video. Just apply clear polish over your French manicure, and then using a toothpick or a rhinestone picker, you can pick these hearts and place it on the curve of the French manicure. So I just had a bit of space on the left as well as the right side, so I cut the heart into half and placed it on either sides. So next up, I'm going to be using the O.P.I nail polishes from Breakfast at Tiffany collection, and this one is called a Madam President. So I'm going to be using a few other nail tips to just create this negative space manicure, and it's so easy to use these nail tips to create any design you like. And I thought this color was perfect for Valentine's Day. It's a bright dark pink color, so yeah, I'm just going to be applying and peeling off the nail tip. So I'm just going to be using an acetone and the brush to clean up the mess around and also get the perfect line. So next I'm going to be using a dotting tool. You can also use a toothpick and just create 2 dots next to each other and then drag it below to make a heart. So I'm just going to be create hearts of different sizes throughout the nail, and that's something cute as well. So that's the second design. Now for the third manicure, I'm just going to be using the same nail polish to create a heart on the tip of my nail. For this design, you can just use your paintbrush and drag your paintbrush from the left as well as the right side to create a heart at the tip of your nail. And then using a dotting tool, just place dots on the outline of this heart. For my fourth manicure, I'm going to be painting my nail completely white, and I applied 2 coats of the space color. And then I'm going to be using this red polish by O.P.I, and it's called Big Apple Red, as well as this light pink polish which is called Suzi Nails New Orleans. For my fourth manicure, I'm just going to be creating a heart using dots as well as ombre. So I'm using 3 different colors, that is the red, the dark pink as well as light pink. And I'm going to be starting by just creating an outline using the red polish, and then I'm going to fill the top half of the heart with red, and I'm using the dark pink in the middle of the heart as well as finishing the bottom of the heart using the light pink color. And for my fifth manicure, I'm going to be using white as a base color, and I'm just going to be using a dotting tool as well as my red nail polish to create these hearts all over my nail, and that's how the fifth manicure should look like. So finally, I'm going to be using my Hansen Insta-Dri top coat to give it a glossy look, and I absolutely love how these turned out to be. For my sixth manicure, I'm going to be using this red polish by TS, and it's called a Boss Lady, and I've already given a base color to my nail, that is white color. So I'm just going to be using a toothpick to create a W and then just a smiley curve below it to create this cute little hearts. So this is super cute and I absolutely love this. This is one of my favorite manicures. So next I'm going to be using the toothpick to create a heart in the middle of my nail, and I'm just going to be using the red color, and then using a dotting tool or a toothpick, you can just use your black polish to write an I as well as a U. So next I'm going to be using this red and black glitter that was sent to me by Becky Rose Nails, and it's called a Christmas pudding, but you know, it's just so perfect for Valentine's Day. I already have my base color on my nail, and that's white, so I'm going to be applying a clear polish over it, and then using a fan brush, I'm just going to brush the glitter over my nails. I just thought I would do an ombre of this glitter, but then I thought filling the entire nail with this glitter would look perfect. So this is how it looks like, and it's such a pretty color. If you paint your nails with just this glitter, it will look amazing. So next up, I have a pink as my base color, and I'm going to be using the dotting tool to create alternative dots, and then finally using a toothpick, I'm just going to create a heart at the bottom of my nail. For my last manicure today, I have white as a base color, and then using a toothpick or a dotting tool, I'm going to be creating an outline of the heart using the red polish, and then I'm going to be using the light pink polish to place it alternatively between the red dots. So this is just a cute little design that you can create. And finally, I'm going to be applying my fast drying top coat to seal it off with a glossy shine. If you guys like this video, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos, and also give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment box below if you used any of these nail art ideas for your Valentine's Day. And that's all for today's video. See you all in the next one.